This is KARL-JAMES LANGFORD reporting from Barry on June the 17th, Tuesday. It's been one of those days that I've focused on the acting and applications for work and making sure that my acting profile is up to date. So today's theme is getting things up to date. One of the things today was to take an up-to-date photograph of myself and make sure that the agencies that I work for are aware of the new look, and in particularly putting that on my main profile where I get most of my main acting work from. One particular thing that when you persevere and you feel that you're getting applications for work correct was that I took the bull by the horns with one particular job and recorded a fresh video, and it went really well, and lo and behold, within about half an hour I had them contacting me saying that they really liked my video application and they want to get that straight over to the employer for the role that they might be interested in me doing. So I think that's really important, to do new things and get things up to date. My friend Helena has gone over to America today, and it was nice hearing from her just before she went. And again, she's staying with a friend and she's going to be eating raw food, basically nothing cooked, basically new stuff, interesting experiences, food tastes and all the rest of it. She's a vegetarian, so wow, interesting times for all. And I think what you've got to do with acting is to try and keep on top of it, to make sure that everybody is aware what you're doing, and again, your image, obviously my image change. Do I wear glasses or do I not wear glasses? Do I have long hair? Do I have a beard? It's all part of image in acting, and just knowing what you need to do. It's other people's impressions and ideas and what they say to you affect your moods, and it's not about impressing them all the time. Did my Skype class this evening, which is going well, teaching 2 classes, archaeology, and as I've always said, that I'd keep that one thing if I was to lose everything else, to keep that going, and it's going well. Obviously, one of my students saying, with the glasses and beard you look more intelligent. Don't know what that means. Did I look intelligent before? Don't know. It's interesting that I got interesting seeing the numbers of people watching this every day, and those that like and dislike. So I got 2 people disliking my videos so far and 5 who like them every day. So wow, maybe I might get up to 3 dislikes and 6 likes. It's interesting because people who dislike something just do it shallowly, in a shallow way, and they don't put a name to it, and very, very British really, that we put people down too much and we like to be critical and from a distance and not put names to things, which is quite upsetting sometimes, but it doesn't bother me, because I do these videos because I think there are those that watch them, and I think they're very useful. Getting on top of other things today and making sure that everything's in order, and I think that's very important. The decluttering continues, and sometimes when you're decluttering, try and sell some of your things, because some other people might like them, but you got a lot of tat that you need to get rid of. All of us have got these issues of past lives within our own lives that we need to let go and leave behind, and just go on to next pastures much higher and much more sedate and calmer. And that's, as I see, acting is the way to be. And I'm back to that book, Jonathan Livingston Seagull, that I've mentioned before. Feeding the birds in my garden and watching them feed, and loads of seagulls, and entertaining. And before anyone says, I can still hear the alarm, yes you can. Gonna go out and get a new battery tomorrow sometime. Anyway, that's this video over and done with this evening. It's been a condensed one. But those watching it who are acting, get those images updated and get them out there so people know what you're doing. Get your CV continually updated. I know it's difficult, even if you've got to write it by hand. It's novel. Just get out there. Just make sure people know you're there. Tap on their doors and say, hey, I'm available to do this and that. And I think that's broadly with a lot of other things in life. Anyway, I will speak tomorrow. This is KARL-JAMES LANGFORD reporting from Barry on a wonderful day. Been a positive day, quite awesome. And I'll speak to you tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for watching again. Over and out.